Hi, everybody. I'd like to talk to you today about Jason Gerald from Udimi. He is awesome. Look, I didn't know what I was doing when it came to ordering clicks from a solo ad agency, but Jason just really helped me out. I ordered like 100 clicks from him, and he over delivered with 120. That was great. Thank you, Jason. And then I got like 39 leads and 12 sales. I've never gotten a sale from anybody online. And I've been doing this a long time. Well, I've been trying to do this a long time. But look, Jason is the greatest. You need great service, fast delivery. I mean, he's awesome. Try him. Get with him. He will look out for you like he did me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you, Jason. Goodbye.